Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. So it's a little bit different on this one. I'm out there with my friend. He invited me to go out on his boat. So we just decided to explore some area in the Sound, some new bottom that we haven't tried yet. And we're just going for stripers, maybe some sea bass, you know, really anything. We're just going to anchor and relax, put some clam on the bottom, and jig at the same time. And it was really fun because we did get to jig up some sea bass, and you'll see how it played out.
Get some footage. Get the barge.
Get the get it all. Never
drive between the barge and the tugboat.
Yeah.
With like huge steel cable.
Yeah, I know.
And he was on a fly bridge like this, and it sliced his boat in half underneath him, and his fly bridge fell in the water with him, and he had to swim to shore.
Yeah, that guy is drifting, so you're good on that. It was supposed to be doing south, but I really don't know what it's doing right now.
South?
It was supposed to be south. I think if you put your anchor at the top of the ledge, you should just drift back.
You can drop it. We can catch, should be good.
If your boat registry says New York, then you gotta abide by New York.
Dude, it's like so calm out here.
Yeah, it is.
It's like creepy almost. As long as you have a light extra tip.
It's true. So you can sense the bite.
Okay, we can put them all out.
I got something.
You got something?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Feels like a sea bass. Small sea bass. Small seabers. They're down there. Yeah.
Fish.
Probably 12 inches or so.
20.
Half the size of that one you caught. I don't know if I told you that one sea bass that I did catch that was pretty big, like the 20 and a half.
Shit.
It had worms in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you showed me the picture.
Yeah, did I tell you? Yeah.
Cut it.
I ate it. Yeah, I cut it. I cut them out and take it. It's just like cod. They were the same worms that you see in the codfish.
Has worms, right?
Yeah. Almost all of them do. People love cod. I mean, people eat cod all the time, and it's no big deal.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nicer one. You gotta try this. You want to try this on my rod? Here, take my rod after.
Yeah, I'll take the rod after. I don't know if you need a net.
This is a good sea bass. This is gonna be a keeper size.
Nice colored fish, man. Nice. Love the color.
That is awesome, though.
That's so cool.
Oh, wow.
Hold them up. Here, I got on the
Beauty.
across here if you want.
It's probably going around 19 almost, 18 and a half. Nice one, right?
Why?
We can throw him back. Look at that hump head, dude.
Yeah, he's got a hump head, dude.
Yeah, you try it. It's fun. All right, you're a lucky day, buddy. You're lucky we're from New York. Alright, check it.
Dude, no freaking way.
Alright, try this,
That's
dude.
it?
I promise. Just cast it way up, though. You gotta cast it up. Nice, good. That's what you want. Then as soon as you stop, don't be afraid of the bottom. It's fine. Alright, let a little line out. Okay. Okay, good. That's what you want. Nice, yes, that's perfect. I saw that slack in the line. That's exactly what you want. And as soon as you feel that slack, then yep, boom, exactly. That's how I do it. As soon as you see that little slack below the line, yep, then you pull. That's exactly it. Yep, just like that. And you'll get a hit. All of a sudden, when that slack happens, you go to do, all of a sudden, yep, there. Yes. I love it. Oh, I love to see it. Nice and easy. Take your time. Does it feel good?
He's small, medium.
Yeah, that's a good one. Look at the colors. Oh yeah. Perfect. Well, these things are lit up, man. Why are they so colorful?
Nice.
Beauty. That's it. Just for.
Oh, dude, we're getting hits on this.
Yeah, that's like a 16 incher. You were in the rhythm, dude. I could tell. I knew you were gonna get a hit because you found the rhythm. That one though, it seemed to like bite it on the way up almost, huh?
Just as it was going up, he was.
Yeah. It gets them so aggressive.
Hits on this.
Nice. On the clam, huh?
Yeah.
With circle hooks, you don't have to set the hook as much. Oh, you got him. Doesn't matter. You got him. Nice, dude. What is it? Seabass?
I think it's Seabass. Decent. Oh, bigger, a little bigger. He's fighting now. Might be something else.
Might be something else. Maybe it's a small striper.
Could be a small striper. Oh, he's bucking.
This is nice, dude. What is this?
Where is he? Come to the surface. Dude, where's he going?
Oh, it's a big sea bass. Look at that thing, man. Wow. Crazy, dude. Freaking awesome.
Colors on their head.
Yeah, dude, they're so lit up right now. What is that?
Nice big mouth.
They are lucking out today, these sea bass.
From that Center Island Reef and over to the over to the left.
Dude, that was a big one.
There's all those mounds you were talking about that you probably marked first.
Yeah.
And now they're like almost on Navionics. That definitely wasn't there in a year.
Oh, yeah.
Good one?
Decent. Nice, small. Whoops.
You get him? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So now you gotta like go the opposite way. It's funny, you try to use these things as much as you can. This thing's like $3. The single gulp is like $3. It's ridiculous.
I have a couple
Way overpriced. But they do work, so it's like it's worth it if it makes your day.
100%. How's the weather looking? Told you Stanford's better than Cold Spring.
For sure. Let me
I
see.
think we're fine.
Oh, I got a fish. It's just, I lost it. Of course, I went to go check the weather. Because the boat moved with that wind, the south wind. Yeah. Is that a fish? No, that's the bottom. It is pretty rocky out here. It really is. Yes, that felt like it came out. Yes. Got something? Oh yeah, yeah. Nice. Oh, that looks good.
Medium.
Medium?
Good.
All right.
Little fight. Yeah, good strike. Ooh. Oh, no.
Oh, sea robin. Oh, yeah. I think there's a bite happening on yours. Look, we're like facing New York almost now.
Where?
We used to be facing that. Like,
That's Coastal Harbor.
the boat turned around though. Like we did like a. That's so weird. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, we did. You're right. Yeah, we were. Our ass.
I think what it is the wind. The wind is so strong now that we're
down and the wind.
Exactly.
There we go. Got him.
Oh, nice. I missed it. Dang. I think I was like focusing on you for the whole time. Nice.
Oh, he feels good.
Nice.
Bucking.
There you
Big
go.
old
Oh,
sea robin.
whoa, it's a monster.
Yeah.
Look at the loins on him.
Professional.
Yeah. Oh. Just as I was about to like reel up.
You got to see Robin?
Probably. Yeah, definitely a robin. Yeah, we should definitely move though.
For a minute.
I do think drifting is not going to be great because
Really? Honestly, we've been doing pretty good anchored with jigging and stuff.
yeah, I think that's probably still your best bet. If you're over good bottom, that works out really good. We did get a late start. Well, not like super late.
I know, we could have been out at least half hour, 45 minutes earlier. I was freaking at the dock.
There we go. Oh, yeah, had one.
We were a little behind.
Oh, that's a fish.
Got one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that has weight.
Got some beef to him?
I don't know what that is, dude.
Small stripe.
It's a big sea robin.
Ooh.
Yeah? It's fighting good?
Gotta be a...
With a bunker chunk?
Yeah, it's definitely a robin though. He just put his wings down. Ooh, shark. That was a striper first.
Nice. Spiny or smooth? Smooth.
Oh, boy.
Nice. The not so dangerous one. Simmer down. No.
Ooh, almost through his eye.
He's a lucky. Nice. I could have got here out in the kayak. This is not so
Yeah,
bad.
you could have today. I was thinking we could strap the kayak to the
Oh, dude.
transom.
That's so
And then you
smart.
just like venture out from the boat.
That's so smart. Like that's true offshore like kayaking right there.
It could be that hard. You'd just be,
No.
basically like loading it from your car twice. Load it onto the boat.
Yeah.
And then load it off the boat, put the battery back on and everything.
Dude, could he just use it as the mooring
Yeah.
vessel and then just went straight off? Boom.